lapu lapet surihini rekre troksen ingkan kijutlo. Borlang per Inglong kiri Lems compound along Srimad Bhagavad Katha Bhakti Gyan Yogya Kapangcheng. Jisu Piothe Kahache Katalon Arni Nakili Bordin Arongaje Kecheng. Aprang sinilihin pen adap ke mea kardom. Morning news aralong penili Willerban Krupi. Nonarjek biotang ton pen. Lapula ben surihini rekret troksen ningkan kijutlo. Ningkan ki minang ki lejia pan hitiri anta avelo. Bonda pining abang ki osomar pan Caribbean Autonomous Council pen scholarship atangka ki bijia pan alam ing samria sonsi teklong. Caribbean Autonomous Council pen aningkan bang priachiklo osomar pan scholarship atangka ki rap pajirver. Bonta pining kaningkan ki jutlo bonta Caribbean Autonomous Council pen scholarship atangka ki pijia pan alamalum anta avelang. Priachiklo scholarship atangka ki BPLR matijong board na prang technical line ki don atharia samia pan laswa ki rap atangka ki PG alamdo. Sita ningkreng kang samason non anta ing samria sonlang. Dr. Engineer pen chenglok akrong ke Charlie Ausumar pining ke council pen scholarship atangka komentu lokilong popusit towar cholang renti. Sri Bhagavad Seva Samiti pen Borlang per Inglong kiri Lems compound along Madijoing Korapli pen Srimad Bhagavad Katha Bhakti Gyan Yogya Pangchenglo. Srimad Bhagavad Katha Bhakti Gyan Yogya Muki Papleng Japan Matijong Thom Kebra isi arni ki paduji nimaja mek along Kalash Shobha Yatra Mandap Puja Satsang Kirtan Mahaarati Sri Ram Katha pen Chenglok pinana jai mek bipon Srimad Bhagavad Katha Bhakti Gyan Yogya Alam Borlang Perara pan kithan ke pachini Japan si la so sai ke deng pusi tirika mamai pen perang kya pan pachini. United Students Union of Caribbean Long pen Karbi Lamet amai pukimi suren kram sapan karcho birta kat news along nangli.
Karbi Lamet amai ke elia sarti ke thap jiapan non hejong mai phuang hoyapan kilik mati election padopon tanglo. Kilik kachipathu puthot suren kram sasi haitu. Alangli surihinira trainer cap aning kan pen surihinira ingkoy aning kana farman kilik chapahai. US UK asong jatum akimi amai phu suren kram sapan kurbang thula pen hirjume pajir pusi birta longdun.
Non malam sopor pandi na parman birta mung jatmon iksinang.
Aprangsi nili kaching honnai nilip arat lapen Karbi anglong arat kidoan aphanda nili ning aklong pen Christmas akardom pajir iglo kardom kedamtang aningkan kemesen pen kadugowe ke jok kelong asom hosi pining labangso a Christmas pen ajok kadugowe Karbi anglong kidoan aratumta ning arong ning kang sam lapen arna malong ahirjume long popusi nili ning thelo kardom.
Holy Child Academy, Lurulangso, Difu Karbi Anglong. New admission starts from 15th of December 2017 for the class of playgroup to class 5. The new classes will start from 8th of January 2018. The academy provides many facilities such as computer education, secure environment, music and dance class, art and painting class, playroom, audio-visual room, school tuition, daycare, school tiffin, smart class, child development center, etc. Parents or guardians are requested to collect the admission form from the principal office at office hours. For more details, please contact at 9854-143-772 or you can also contact at 03-671-27900.
Blossom Beauty Clinic and Training Center. Facilities available: list of haircut, hair treatment, hair oiling, henna, straightening, hair perming, full body spa, coloring, waxing, manicure and pedicure, party makeup, listo facial, signature galvanic facial, signature Orleda facial, gold, pearl, diamond facial, fruits facial, cleanup, normal facial and bleach. Blossom Beauty Clinic and Training Center, KST Road near Atur Kimi Outlet, Difu, Karbi Anglong. Banalata Chaudhary Deka 9435539500. Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecho ason la penthesre alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecho ajam thu tharmit aduk thelua kreng chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihin amo phibu thot bir talong bang thulo jisu pirthe kaha chear ni karchola pen katalon jia phan karbianglong along ta Christo phan ke kroyarat asake na minute ing hong kok an chotlo jisu mahang ke thek arni bordin katalon jia phan arnam kardoma hem girja la pen ke do hemalong chiklolong so tarsi arong aje atomon padopon
Ni pharo ke thomra ni trokkebra pho arni kanghong pajut pen karbianglong along damatijong inkora pho arni Christo aphan ke kroyarat bordin katalonji aphan ason sona jaimek thoponlo ningkan kang them kachong honga bordin katalonji aphan hemahong chatai la pen girja hemalong chiklolong so tarsi palang mipon bordin arni arnamalun lapen kachatong arat pen ok an esan ke chopruya jaimek da aningkan wang ateng padu subdivision hini bukajan Hauraghat lapen West Karbi Anglong penangan adim bordin aphan kesi kedang abirta Card News Channel along nang lebom lang.
Iskon pen mati join kora pli arni difurong chingrum along Tribal Unity Festival padopen inglong khai kachingrialam chithanchi mompon Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Rong Hang lapen Arya Sangho Emesia tum Ram Singh Timung Lun Singh Teron lapen Prophat Chandra Tarwa tum Inglong Khai Chingria Rong Ajemate Tribal Unity Festival along Chitongdun Rong Chingrum Radha Shyam Sundar Prayer Hall Kipadula Sorong Aje along Iskon Akardoma Hem Kijuna Langaphan Ringwell lapen Towar Kisilam Japan CEM Rong Hang Iskon Aradaphan Lam Teje Chaktekang Birta bangkila pansikang ton pon iklo, lain bom tekan news channel, domi thakmi kurwang thu.